Hello everyone. I just got a shipment from Silipint, and they are a silicone company that makes bowls and dishware, which I found out from another YouTuber that is using it for her candy company. So I had to buy them because I love reheating soup in the microwave and places like that. And I also like ice cream, but I don't like when the bowl is too cold. So I can't wait to try these and see how they work. Sorry, but I'm losing my voice today. It's been a long and crazy day, of course. But I just want to let everyone know that these look amazing. I am so excited to see these beautiful colors, and my family is so super excited about trying them. So, of course, we're going to have soup tonight, and I can't wait to use them. So, I will let you know in future videos how they were. They're in the dishwasher right now, which is a good place to be clean, and then we can use you. Thank you everyone for being here. Sorry that my voice is cracky today. It's just the weather here in Columbus, Ohio is a little crazy, rainy, slushy, frozen, and my voice is taking its toll today. So thank you for coming, and I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,